Hey guys, we're back for another video in our Infusionsoft The Way mini-series. You'll notice we even switched sides for this video just to mix it up a little.
Mixing it up, big
time. So in this video, last time we talked about trigger tags. This time I want to talk about activity tags. Can you walk us through real briefly about that?
Yeah, so trigger tags, like we talked about last time, they get applied to achieve a goal. And the rule with that is that you always want to remove those tags so that the goal could be achieved again. Activity tags, exact opposite. Activity tags, when they get applied, you never ever remove them because what they represent is a historical record of what that person has done. And so anytime someone clicks on something, fills out a form, purchases a product, does something notable, attends a webinar, registers for a webinar, those are the things you want to tag with activity tags. They are permanent. They stay on the record. That way you've got that entire historical record with date stamps of what that person has done. It's really, really valuable, particularly if you have sales reps selling over the phone because they can see that whole historical record. Sure. It's also valuable for those of you who aren't selling over the phone because you can segment to your heart's content based on what people have done.
Yep. Tyler, thank you for that. If you want to see our next video, we're going to be talking about status tags. Now, we talked about trigger, activity, and status tags. Those are three of the big ones. Stay tuned for our next video, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.